Pen എടുക്കാൻ മറന്നു. പെണ്ണെടുക്കാൻ മറന്നുപോയി.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So today we have our class. So time is changed, isn't it? 2 periods are there. See, children. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Here? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. See, yesterday I have given you some important points regarding the clocks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will repeat it once again, children. I'll repeat it. Okay, children. So, one complete revolution means, listen, children, one complete revolution means, what is the degree measure?
360 degree.
Okay, I'll write it again. See, children. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. See, Devika, you note down the absentee's name.
Okay, ma'am.
And after end of the class, you tell me. Yes, children, listen. Listen. So, we are going to write, I am going to write it now. One complete revolution. One complete revolution. One full revolution will write. I'll write one full revolution. One full revolution. Okay, sir. So, children, one complete revolution. No. We already written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the degree measure?
360 degree.
360 degree.
Yes. And name of it is?
Complete angle.
Triangle.
Complete angle.
Okay, and what is the how many right angles will be there?
Four right angles.
Okay, children, 4 right angles. And how many hours will be there?
12 hours.
12 hours.
12 hours.
Fine, 12 hours. Yeah, I don't know whether you have written the same thing in your notes. If any column is missing, you can add.
Return complete angle like that. The name of the
If anything is missing, you can add now. Okay, children. Next one is half of a revolution. Half of a revolution. What is the degree measure?
Ma'am, 180
80 degree. What is the name of the angle?
right angle. 180 degree.
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Name of the angle is straight angle. And how many right angles will be there?
2 right angles.
2 right angle.
2 right angles. 2 right angles, okay? And how many hours?
6 hours. Ma'am, your sound is
6 hours.
breaking.
6 hours, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me properly? Can you hear me?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Who is that person? Wait. Okay then. Okay, children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now wait. I have please mute your mic. Somebody's mic is on. Please mute your mic. Okay. Half of a revolution. Next one is 1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 of a revolution. What is the degree measure?
270 degree.
1/4 of a revolution. 1/4 of a revolution.
Degree.
90 degree. What is the name of the angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. Okay. Right angle. And how many right angles will be there? Only one right angle.
1 right angle.
One right angle. This is useful for doing the problems. Okay. And how many hours?
1 hour.
3
No,
hours.
no, no,
3
no.
hours.
3 hours. 3 hours. 1/4. 12/4. What is 12/4? Complete is 12. So 1/4 is 12/4. 3 hours.
3 hours.
Okay, children. Again, 3/4 of a revolution. 3/4 of a revolution. This one is
270 degree.
270 degree. And how many right angles?
3 right angles.
3 right angles.
9 hours.
3 right angles and 9 hours. 9 hours. So you have to study this properly, this table, and we are going to do the questions now. Okay?
Okay,
If
ma'am.
any column is missing, like yesterday what we have written, if any column is missing, you can add that.
Ma'am, but there is no space for me to write that column.
That up to you. You can write somewhere.
Okay,
Make it
ma'am.
small and write it.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Who is that? Eh? Smriti. Somebody is talking.
Ma'am, someone saying he can't see the board.
Who is that person? Okay, children, did you finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I read now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now we are moving to our problem session. Okay, children. Shall we go?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, children. The question I will write, and we will discuss about the answers. Okay, children. I'm going to write the question now. Question number 1. Can you see the board? I'll change the color of it. Wait. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
What fraction? What fraction? What fraction of a clockwise revolution? What fraction of a clockwise revolution? Clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock, hour hand of a clock, hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from A 3 to 9, B 4 to 7, C 7 to 10, D 12 to 9, E 'Are you writing, children? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the question. Did you write the question? All of you, that question sentence?
Yes, ma'am.
And see the options. See the questions A to F.
Ma'am,
can you
show the question?
Yes. Yes. I'm showing the question, see. Okay, children. If you finish it, you stop writing and listen to me. After finish writing, you stop writing and listen to me. All of you, stop writing. And Krishna, will you mute? Okay, children. See, the question is, the clock is a clockwise revolution. The clock moves from some hours to another hour. Okay, and what is the fraction of the revolution? It goes, that is 1/4, 3/4, like that. Okay, children, you have to write the fraction of the revolution, that is 1 by 4 of a revolution, 3 by 4 of a revolution, like that. You have to write the answer. And the first question is 3 to 9. So you look at that table. And how many hours you see? How many hours? Your table you have written. And there is how many hours you have written one column, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Now it is 3 to 9. Now you start counting from 3 to 9. 3. After 3 to 9, how many hours difference is there? From 3, 4, 5, 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 hours difference. 6 hours difference. What is the fraction? 6 hours difference.
1 by 2.
6 hours difference. What is the degree measure? 6 hours difference.
180 degree.
180 degree. What is the angle?
Straight angle.
Straight angle.
Straight angle.
What is the fraction? Fraction means that fraction. Half of a revolution, 1 by 2. So that is our answer. So according to you can see many answers. But according to our question, you write only the fraction. Okay, children? So 3 to 9. 3 to 9, what is the answer?
Ma'am, 1 by 2 of revolution.
1 by 2. Our answer is only 1 by 2. Write only 1 by 2. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Did you understand? Now, next one is 4 to 7. Count the hours. Will you count the hours?
Ma'am, 3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours.
5, 6, 7. What is the fraction? 3 hours?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. 3 hours is the less fraction less. It is a right angle, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the fraction?
1 by
4.
Did you all of you, let me see you. See children, did you understand how you will find it?
Yes.
Just count and we have written in our table everything. Clear? Do you have any doubt? Anyone? Please ask me the doubt if you did not know it.
No, ma'am.
Okay, children. And 7 to 10. 7 to 10. 7 to 10, you start counting 7 to 10.
3 hours.
Ma'am, 3 hours.
8, 9, 10. What is the answer? 3 hours. And
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Okay. And 12 to 9. 12 to 9. It is not 9 to 12. Okay. It is 12 to 9. So don't count from reverse order. Don't count in the reverse order. Who is talking in between? Please mute. Please mute. 12 to 9. Okay, children, count it. Don't count from 9 to 12. Don't count in the reverse order. From 12 you have to count. After 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hours. What is the fraction?
3 by 4 of the revolution. 3 by 4.
Yes.
3 by 4.
3 by 4. Now 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9 hours.
And fraction?
3 by 4.
Good. Now, yes. Now it is 6 to 3. 6 to 3.
1 by 2.
6. No, 6 to 3. 6, from 6 onwards you have to count. Don't tell the answer so fast.
3 by 2. 3 hours.
First you start counting. Use your fingers to count. 7, use your fingers to count. Don't make any mistake. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12.
11, 12, 1, 2, 3.
And 3 by 4.
Yes, how many hours, children?
9 hours.
9 hours. And our answer is
3 by 4.
3 by 4. So this is the that question. Okay? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Somebody is telling the answer now. Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Did you understand it, everyone? If you have any doubt, you ask me now. Sri Rudra Namasya, Altina,
Ma'am.
Devika, who is absent today?
I'm Sravana, Haya, Devaganga.
1 minute. Let me note down.
Ma'am, I am the.
Devika, wait. Let me note down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who is that?
Ma'am Devaganga, I entered late.
It's okay. Yes. Who
I'm
is absent?
Sravana,
Shravana.
Ismail.
Who?
Ismail.
He came now. Then?
And then Haya.
Haya Mariam is absent always, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then?
Ma'am, then I didn't find anyone.
Okay. All came. Abhinav Sajan is there. Abhinav Sajan? Yes. Abhyuday?
Yes, ma'am. Abhyuday is there.
Yes. Okay. Now, we will move to the next question. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So, our next question is, I am going to the next question, next type of question. Where will the our hand, where will the our hand, where will the our hand, no need of our hand, simply hand, okay. 1 minute, children. Okay, the question number 2, where will, one minute, wait. Where will the hand of a clock stops? Hand of a clock stop if it, first one, starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution clockwise. 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 Half of a revolution clockwise.
And how we have to write the answer? We have to draw the clock and.
No. I have given you the easy method to find the answer, right? Half of a revolution means how many hours, children?
6 hours.
6 hours. So starts from 12. So starts from 12 means after 12 you add 6. After 12 start counting 6 hours, right? Half of a revolution means how many hours? 6 hours. So after 12 you start counting. After 12 will you count to 13?
No, ma'am. One.
So 1 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where will it stop?
6 o'clock.
It will stop at
6 o'clock.
it will stop at 6. Did you understand? This for don't need of drawing the clock. All those easy shortcuts I have given you. Clear?
And you just write
Just write only. Just write like this. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Then next one is starts at 2. Starts at 2. And again and make half of a revolution. Half of a revolution starts at 2 and make half of a revolution clockwise. Clockwise. Okay? How will you do this? Half of a revolution clockwise.
Ma'am, we have to count.
Count. Half of a revolution means how many hours you have to think?
6 hours.
6 hours. So, half of a revolution means 6 hours. So, starts at 2. So, after 2, 6 hours you have to count. Half of a revolution means 6 hours. If you want to write all this clue. And starts at 2 means from 2 onwards you have to count.
8. Ma'am, 8.
2, you count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stops at, it will stop. Stops at 8. Clear?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
easy. So no need of doing any other method. You can count. Ayo. Oh, gone somewhere. Okay, children. Shall I give the third question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one is starts at 5. Starts at 5 and makes. Starts at 5 and makes. And makes. Yes. Yes.
Third question.
This is third question.
Oh,
See.
Ma'am, is it clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise, children, it is clockwise. You have given me. Okay. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
starts at half of a revolution. Half of a revolution. Sorry, 1/4 of a revolution. How many hours? 1/4. Sri Rudra? Sri Rudra, how many hours? 1/4 of a revolution? Sri Rudra?
Ma'am.
How many hours, Sri Rudra?
Ma'am.
Yes. Sri Rudra, tell the answer. 1 by 4 is the less one. 1 by 4 is the small one. So how many hours? Yes, Srirudra?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
You are telling something? You are telling something? Yes, Srirudra, tell the answer.
Ma'am.
Tell the answer, child. 1 by 4 is the less revolution. It is a right angle. Right angle, how many hours? One right angle, how many hours?
Ma'am.
You are telling something. Yes, dear?
Not can I tell?
No. Srirudra should tell.
Ma'am. Ma'am, 6 hours.
6 hours is straight angle. Correct straight opposite. Half of it. Straight angles, half of it. 6 hours and a half. That is 1 by 4. 3 hours. Good. So 3 hours. 3 hours. 1 by 4 is the less one. 3 hours. Okay. And starts at 5 means? Starts at 5 means?
5.
1, 2, 3, 5. 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the answer? Where? Okay.
It stops at 8.
It stops at?
8.
Stops at 8. Okay, now, next one. Starts at 5. Okay, starts at 5. Okay, children. Starts at 5. And makes 3 by 4 of a revolution clockwise. All the questions are clockwise itself. Three by 4 is the maximum. Not maximum. It is actually we have 3, 6 and 9. We have 3, 6 and 9. Okay, children, 3, 6, 9, 12. See, you can note down this. 1 by 4 is 3. 1 by 2 is 6. 3 by 4 is 9. And 1 full revolution is 12. You can note down like this without any. Now you can understand. Srirudra, you note down this. What I have written now, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you will understand it. 3 by 4 of a revolution. So how many hours, child? How many hours?
9 hours.
9 hours. So start at 5. Start counting.
Ma'am, 14 means
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? How much? Sorry. How much?
Ma'am, it's 1. No,
Yes, children?
2.
It is 2. Wait. 1 minute. Starts at 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2. Clear? Starts at 5.
Stops at 2.
Stops at 2. So if you want, you write it. Yes. Answer is 3 by 4 of a revolution, 9 hours. And stops at
2.
2. Stops at 2. Okay. Stops at 2. See, children, I'll give the homework to you. Okay, children, the same like these questions, and the example I'll give you. Listen, children. question is find the number of right angles turned through by our hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. 3 to 6. 3 to 6 find the number of right angles. Question is, just see. See children. Homework question. 1 minute. Homework question is, it moves from 3 to 6. How many right angles? How many right angles? You have to count. 3 to 6 means how many hours difference? 4, 5, 6.
3 hours.
3 hours. 3 hours means how many right angles?
One right angle.
One right angle. So like that. One right angle. One right angle. 3 hours, one right angle. Like this, will you do the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so evening I will send. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
I will give one more type of questions. Next period. We have one more period today.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, shall I stop now?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Atul is also absent.
Adul is absent. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Emil.
Ma'am, next class 2:20.
I think so.
Next class.
I think so.
Yes, ma'am. 2:20.
Okay. Okay, children, shall I leave now?
Yes, absent. Ma'am.
Who is that? I erased it, dear. I erased it. Okay, children, bye. We'll see you next class.